Ryan, that gift is from Grandma Lee and Uncle John. You want to open it? And Grandma will take a picture of you here, see? I'm going to take a recording so you can show them.
A fish tank!
You know what it is? It's actually a light for your room that has fish on it. Look at that.
Guys?
Let me see. Oh yeah, that's nice.
It's a marine
And
light.
I should see, but then
You know, he just went to the National
that
Aquarium.
one.
Did you know that, Eleanor?
Yeah, I know
He and I
you
spent
took
the day
it.
at the National Aquarium.
This
That
must
was
be.
really cool.
And that's from Grandma Lee and Uncle John. Show me, Scooby-Doo. Woo, for your bed. Wow.
He likes these kind of things.
We're gonna play
Scooby-Doo. Hey, Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo.
The first song is